The Daily Bulletin. Hello, student. This is the third part of the chapter A Train Station for a Student. We have read first and second part. Now, this is the third part of this chapter, and this chapter heading is The Daily Bulletin. This is a newspaper of Japan that published the news of this young girl, this little girl. It was on the date of 20 April 2016, and its heading was Train Station Stage Open till only passenger graduates. Train station stage open till only passenger graduates. Let's see. Tokyo for over a year, the Kushirataki station in Hokkaido, Japan ran operation just for one person, a young girl named Kana Harada. She was completely dependent on it for a train service that helped her get to school and back home. And when she graduated in March 2016, the station became one of the many train stations to close down in rural Japan due to lack of passengers. This is the same story we have read in the first and second part, but only the news channel, the newspaper has published it in another way, in another word. Here this newspaper says that for over a year at the Kushirataki station in Hokkaido, in Japan, railway company began to start a train just for a young girl named Kana Harada. This girl was completely dependent on this train service, because without the train service of this train she was unable to her schooling. The train helped her to get to school and back home, and the train provided her service till her graduation. When she was graduated in March 2016, at that time the station now became with many stations, with many train stations, and the Japanese railway company closed down the stations in rural Japan because there was very lack of population. The station would have shut down much earlier if it had not been for the special request the parents of the girls made to the Hokkaido Railway Company. दिस स्टेशन, ये भी स्टेशन बंद हो जाता अगर उस स्टेशन के पास जो फैमिली थी उस गर्ल के अगर पेरेंट्स अगर वहाँ रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करते अपनी गर्ल्स के पढ़ाई के लिए, तो ये भी स्टेशन बंद हो गया होता. With only a year left for Kana to finish schooling, her parents needed the station to stay open so that their daughter could continue to commute, attend school regularly and complete her study. Kana parents requested the station's master to railway company to stay the train there for that the daughter could continue attend the school regularly and complete her study. Kana lived over 30 kilometers away from her school. The only practical way for her to cover the distance and reach in time for classes every day was to take the 30 minutes train ride to her school from Kushirataki. And without this conveyance, it was impossible to join the school for Kana every day because it takes 30 minutes by the train, and the distance was 30 kilometers from her home, the distance from home to school. Without the service, she would have had to walk for over 6 kilometers across the countryside to catch the 9 a.m. train. Without the service of this Shirataki station's train, Kana had to walk 6 kilometers across the countryside to catch another train from the next station. From neighboring Siretki station, जो सिरेटकी के बगल में जो स्टेशन था वहाँ 6 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस था, वहाँ तक उसे पैदल जाना पड़ता और फिर वहाँ से उसको जा कर के ट्रेन मिलता. बट दैट राइड वुड गेट हर टू स्कूल. लेकिन वहाँ से जाने में उसे स्कूल के लिए लेट हो जाता. After the railway company received the request from Kana's parents, decided to keep the station running just for him. Now, the railway company got the request of Kana's parents, and to see the request of Kana's parents, the railway company accepted it. According to reports, the station even had a unique timetable keeping her school hours in mind. जो भी रिपोर्ट्स यहाँ पे लिया गया है उस रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक स्टेशन ने सारा यूनिक टाइम टेबल को अरेंज किया उस लड़की के स्कूल के टाइमिंग को माइंड में करते हुए कि स्कूल कब जाएगी, स्कूल कैसे आएगी, उस टाइमिंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए उस ट्रेन के आने जाने का शेड्यूल को वहाँ पे फिक्स किया गया. Kana would board the special train 4 a.m. and return at 5-8 p.m. At the time, several other stations in the area had already shut down because they did not have enough regular passengers. And the time was fixed by the railway company at 4 a.m. in the morning and 5-8 p.m. at the evening. And it was the time when this station was only providing service to Kana, and the other station had already shut down because at that time there were no passengers. Hokkaido Railways Company received a lot of appreciation for its exemplary customer service. इस गुड सर्विस को देने के लिए होकाइडो रेलवे कंपनी को बहुत सारा एप्रिसिएशन मिला, बहुत सारे लोगों के द्वारा अच्छे उनको बधाइयाँ प्राप्त हुई दैट दिस कंपनी हैड प्रोवाइड अ वेरी गुड सर्विस फॉर स्टूडेंट्स टू कंटिन्यू हर एजुकेशन. It won hearts across the world on social media too, and on social media this railway company won the hearts of each person. Some people even tweeted their praise to the authorities for valuing education over money. And some people also tweeted में नेटवर्क साइट पे जा कर के पब्लिक मैसेज सेंड करना, कॉमन पब्लिक मैसेज सेंड करना. तो लोगों ने मैसेज सेंड किया टू द अथॉरिटीज़, जिम्मेदार लोगों के लिए, फॉर वैल्यूइंग एजुकेशन ओवर मनी. एजुकेशन वैल्यू के लिए मनी से ऊपर एजुकेशन वैल्यू को निकालने के लिए, टू मेंटेन द वैल्यू ऑफ एजुकेशन ओवर मनी, they praised and they tweeted it many times. One social media user posted online that the incident proved that every citizen mattered and that you do not have to leave anyone behind. Social media user posted a very nice post posted by that in a country, if you have a good governance, if you are a responsible authority, you can't leave anyone behind. Let anyone alone a child in this increasingly self-centered and profit-oriented world, जहाँ से संसार में सब लोग धन के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, और इस संसार में अगर कोई कंपनी, कोई कंट्री अगर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए अगर इस तरह की फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली यू आर अप्रिशिएबल एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू द गवर्नेंस. The story of the lone passenger drew attention to a major change in the transportation sector in Japan, and this lone passenger's story scattered everywhere and it changed the transportation sector in Japan. Observers say that the old railroad system was proving to be obsolete because the population in Japan has shifted in large numbers to urban area. Obsolete means होता है कोई भी चीज़ जो लंबे समय से यूज न किया जाए, और अब कुछ न्यू उसके जगह पे न्यू चीज़ रिप्लेस करके यूज किया जाए। तो ऑब्जर्वर्स ने बताते हैं कि जो ओल्ड रेल रोड सिस्टम था वो अब न्यू सिस्टम को प्रोवाइड करना शुरू की, पहले नहीं प्रोवाइड करती थी, इसीलिए लोग फैसिलिटीज़ के कारण जाकर अर्बन एरिया में अपने घर को बसा लिए, गांव के एरिया को लोग छोड़ दिए। Now there are fewer people commuting to work, and from fewer areas there is a lot of the train services are now underused. And from the rural area now the population is very few, and very few people used to go town for their living, for their jobs, and lot of train service are now underused at that time in the rural area. Despite all this, it was encouraging to see that the railway company looked beyond its profit and operating problems and came forward to help young girl complete her school education. But despite all this matter, we never cared at what happened there, but we only appreciate to the railway company that he ignored all the things, he ignored all the profits, and the company provided the education system to ignore the profits to the little girl Kana. This is a appreciable matter for the Japan and also for all the companies and countries in this world. So this is very appreciable. This is a matter of applause, and it is a great moral for the other companies and other country that they must also try to provide such type of facility to its citizen, to the new coming people, so that the education could be proceed for a long distance and everyone could get proper education. Thank you.